I'm Laura Banford, and I'm going to show you how to make white bean escarole soup. Now we're going to prep the onions and garlic, which form the basis for the stock that creates the soup. I'm going to take a couple of garlic cloves, and what I do is I put the flat of my knife against the clove and bang it. And do it again. And that way the peel comes right off. And then you make it easy to mince. Just like that. And we'll mince the next one. And then as far as the onion goes, it's a nice big sweet onion. We're cutting this off. And then we're going to score the side. And you cut it in half. And make thin slices. And then we're just going to mince them up or dice them. You don't want big chunks of onion. You want the onion flavor and small dices. Like that. And that's how we prepare onions and garlic. Next, we're going to prep our carrots and celery. See you then.